Yeah, this is year 2022. I hope you guys are doing so much great. As for me, my year is awesome so far. But today I did something really stupid. But I want you guys to avoid this at all times. Okay, what happened? I damaged my drone. It was in the morning. I was at this event, tombstone unveiling at Potsaning in South Africa. Then that's me. I'm flying my drone. Everything is going very nicely. I'm actually shooting this nice dolly effect shot where I'm revealing the whole place. And there was that guys, they were just chilling there and they actually saw the drone and it was so much like mind blowing by the drone. Like I could see they're actually excited about the drone. I don't know, it was first time them seeing a drone, but I was like, let me play some stunts. And it was me there, on sport mode, on high speed. I forgot my drone has a battery problem because my drone is plus 400 charges, so it has reached that limit, got stolen. Let me show you right now. It was glued there because it was actually opening up and trying to glue it together. And every time when I was flying, it would start to crack here. I don't know if you can see very well. Let me focus. Yeah, you can see that crack there. So the battery could get quite hot every time I was flying it. I was supposed to replace this battery to get a new battery, but like I know I was procrastinating, and as you know, these batteries can be expensive. So that's me there flying the drone. I didn't get any notification of the battery getting hot or maybe failing, and maybe it did try to warn me. Maybe I didn't see because I was actually trying to impress those guys there. And I'm flying the drone, and the drone was in the ground from 25 feet just down there. It broke. You can see this antenna receiver's legs are broken. Also to this side here broken. You can see the back side here is quite damaged. So I don't know if the gimbal here is still working or not because it feels really loose. So let's try to see if it's working. Now plug the battery. Yeah, baby. Okay, I think I saw some movement there. Then let me switch on the remote right now.
Low battery warning.
Okay, so the app can actually recognize the battery that is there. So the battery is not quite damaged as I thought. It just failed. So that's what I'm concerned with. The battery failed, but without warning me. So that's the problem. Miss Mavic, you should have warned me that the battery is gonna die. At least I could have landed safely. But you just like, well, maybe it's my fault. I don't know. Okay, everything is on now. I'm just gonna try to tilt the cam and see if it's working. Okay, down, up, tilting up, tilting down. Okay, wow. The gimbal is working. If you don't know what I'm using this dial here. Just up, down, just like that. So you could see that my gimbal is working very perfectly fine. But one thing that I can actually try out flying it is because the antennas receivers here legs are broken. So that means I cannot actually control this drone with my remote here. So I don't want to take that risk. So this could have not happened if I only bought a new battery on my drone. And right now I will have to send it for repair and it will cost me more money than the money that I could have bought a new battery. So try by all means to make sure your battery must always be on good condition and must always have at least 2 or 3 batteries, so you can always circle around the battery so you don't have to actually damage those battery, because the more you charge the battery, the more it reaches the maximum charging rate, then the battery is likely to actually fail all the time. So make sure your battery is always on good condition. Number 2, also make sure your propellers are also in good condition. Small cracks or small breaks on your propellers will also make your drone to fail while flying it. So try by all means not to fly your drone until you replace your propellers. And number 3, make sure your app is always updated to avoid any failures. And number 4, do not try to impress. Do not try to impress. Most of the time, it's either maybe you're flying a drone or using a camera or a gimbal. Every time when you're trying to actually impress friends or people around you, because yes, people can actually get excited seeing that new tech and everything, but try to always stay true to what you're actually doing. Do not try to impress anyone, because these things, they're really expensive. So if you do that, you're always gonna crash. Or if you try to do something that you're not used to or don't really feel comfortable doing that, but you're just doing it just to show off, my friend, This these things, they will turn back to you, and you will be losing in that time. So try by all means to make sure all the auxiliaries of your drones or anything that you're using that is expensive, it's always in a good condition. This is a mistake that I actually did. So for you to avoid it, stay to those rules and make sure you fly safe and respect all the rules. What I did, I'm not proud of. I should have made sure everything is good, because imagine if it could have fell on someone's face. That's gonna be really, really bad. So try by all means, my friends, to stay safe and fly very nicely this year. Safe and enjoy your drone. And if you have ever damaged your drones, you went beyond repair, please let me know on comment section. I would like to read all those stories. And without any waste of time, please subscribe, please hit that notification button to always get updates on my new uploads. And this year we're going big. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you. This is it.